All right, Amazon Aurora. So as we discussed, Aurora is one of the options for RDS, apart from the standard databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, and so on. You can also select Aurora when you're deploying an RDS instance. So what is Aurora? Aurora is Amazon's proprietary database, which has two versions, either one completely compatible with MySQL and another one completely compatible with PostgreSQL. So the way I think about it is Aurora is a version, Amazon's version of MySQL or PostgreSQL, but it is designed to deliver performance and availability of commercial grade software. So it gives you the performance and availability of things like Oracle and Microsoft SQL Server, but it gives you the cost effectiveness of the open source MySQL or PostgreSQL. And the thing about Aurora, how is it better than MySQL's PostgreSQL? Well, with the fact that it delivers better performance and availability, and also it's cloud native. It's specifically designed for the cloud, so it's while it's about 15 to 20% more expensive than ordinary RDS, it's actually in the case of MySQL, it's 5 times faster. In the case of PostgreSQL, it's 3 times faster than ordinary RDS. So that's what Aurora is all about, and unlike ordinary RDS, Aurora has a serverless option. So you can have normal Aurora, which is not serverless, and you can also have serverless Aurora. It's actually called Aurora Serverless. Something to keep in mind. So for the exam, whenever you see keywords like cloud native relational database, think Amazon Aurora. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed and some additional points, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.